be making onigiri. Onigiri is a Japanese rice ball, and we will be showing you how to make it. Let's get started! Welcome to Asian World! So first, we will cook the rice, and we're going to cook that in the rice cooker. 3 cups of rice. Now we have to wash the rice until it's clean. Let's go wash it. We are following the rice cooker instructions on this packet. Mom has washed the rice and put the rice inside the cooker. Now we cook and we'll come back. The rice is cooked.
And because it is still hot, I will be doing the next steps. So first,
open it up. Oh! That's a lot of steam.
Okay. So what we'll be doing while the rice is still warm is mixing in the sushi seasoning. If you don't have sushi seasoning, you can mix in rice vinegar and a bit of sugar and salt.
Does that make all seasons in the rice?
It actually flavors the rice a little bit. A bit in there. So quite a lot. Mix that.
It looks like giba.
So to start making the onigiri, we need the rice to be cooled completely. So what we do while the rice is warm is mix the seasoning, and then we leave the rice. We'll take the rice out in a bowl, and we will leave it to cool completely before we touch it.
That's not a word. I don't know. It sounds satisfying. It's just like slime. No, it's not just
nothing like slime.
It just oh, that's a lot. It just like
to make the rice cool faster, what we'll do is we'll put a little bit of it in here, because otherwise there's too much in one bowl. It won't get.
Yes. Put your finger in there.
Let's do the finger.
Oh, chop your finger off. If you have your finger. While the rice is cooling, we will tell you what we put in it. First thing we put is tuna. This is plain tuna, but you can use flavored tuna. You can also use rice seasonings called furikake.
First things first, we're going to mix the tuna into the rice. So that's the rice and tuna all mixed. Now comes the fun part.
Yay!
When we make the balls. Now,
And triangles.
Yep. So that. Be very careful. Don't drop it.
Onto the counter.
Okay. So you have a ball.
Ah, it's sticking on my gloves.
It is sticky. That's why we have gloves on.
And it's sticking on my
Okay. So the way you get the triangle is you have to bend your hands like that. See?
Oh, let's do it.
Yeah. And then like that. Yeah. So what happens is this shape here makes the triangle, and this hand is going to press it flat.
I did it.
And then you turn it, do it again, and you turn it and do it again. And that way you actually get 3 even sides. See, like a triangle.
I don't know how to do it.
Yep. The triangle.
I'll just do the it won't work.
It's okay. If you can't do it, then do the circle. Make a circle. Like a laddu. Okay. Here you go. So this is easy. So look at now. What you can do is decorate your one with furikake. You can mix the rice seasonings into the rice balls, or you can put it on top. And we like ours on top.
Obviously.
Now what we do is we dip the rice ball. Just pat it gently so that it sticks to you.
It's sticking to mine.
I think I'm happy with mine. Done.
Last cut. No one got the hole.
Don't squeeze it. That's okay.
I think my one's done.
Are you done?
Keeps on getting ruined.
No, it's okay. What you can do
Hey, look,
is
it's stick to
cut
my
yours
glove.
back into a circle.
Look how
There we
Look how
go.
far my pinky can go.
Okay, are you ready to taste
Yeah.
your onigiri?
Mine.
No, that's Tanu's.
Mine. It tastes like Ishi's onigiri recipe. I can't believe it.
So that's Ishi and Tanu's onigiri.
So good. It tastes like it's snow.
That's really good. We're gonna go make some more.
They're really good. Don't forget to like this video. And please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.